There are places in this world that stop you in your tracks, that pull you into the present moment and invite you to see more deeply. Grand Teton National Park, in the heart of the American West, is one of those places. In late spring, the Tetons reveal a rare kind of beauty. Lush green valleys just waking from winter, while jagged peaks still wear their snow like a crown. This photography workshop is designed to help you connect with this extraordinary landscape. We'll explore iconic locations, calm waters that mirror the mountains, rustic barns that echo the past, and wild, open spaces alive with color and motion. But this experience is about more than just the photographs. It's about the quiet thrill of arriving in the dark, waiting for first light. It's about refining your craft through personalized instruction, both in the field and in post-processing sessions designed to unlock the full potential of your images. Most of all, it's about presence, about the moments when time disappears and all that's left is you, your camera, and a landscape that keeps unfolding with every moment. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to push your photography to the next level, join us and discover what happens when you step into the landscape with intention, curiosity, and a sense of wonder. Adventure awaits in the shadow of the Tetons.